Okay, so basically the relative pronouns that we see on this part of the book are who, which, and that. So we use who for people, which for things, and we use that for both people and things. So here I have two examples. Basically, we can say he is the doctor who was here yesterday, or I can also say he is the doctor that was here yesterday, because again, I can use who for people, and then I can use that for people and things. Then we have this other sentence, which is this is the glass which I bought for you, or I can also say this is the glass that I bought for you, because again, which is used for things, and then that it's used for people and things. So we can use that for both, and then we use who for people, and we use which for things and animals sometimes. So then in here there is something else. Okay, so in here we have some other relative pronouns. So again, we use who for people. The woman who called yesterday wants to buy the house. We use which for things. Do you see the letter which came today? And also for animals. I love the puppy which is jumping at the kitchen. We use whose for possession. Remember that we say, for example, whose this hat, or whose this whose glasses are these, with an exercise with that. So then, for example, I can say he's a man whose opinion I respect. It means that the opinion I'm talking about is the opinion that, let's say, belongs to him, that is his possession. So she's the student whose handwriting is the best in my class. That means that the handwriting, it's hers, it belongs to this student. From where didn't you listen? What was the last thing that you listened?
Better now.
What was the last thing that you listened?
The relative pronoun is
You talking about who?
What was the last thing? Who? Okay, so who is used for people. The woman who called yesterday wants to buy the house. Which is used for things. Did you see the letter which came today? And also for animals. I love the puppy which is jumping in the kitchen. Then we use whose for possession. Remember that we did an exercise asking, for example, whose glasses are these, or whose keys are these. So if I say he's a man whose opinion I respect, I'm saying that the opinion belongs to him, that is his opinion. Then if I say she's the student whose handwriting is the best in my class, I'm telling that the handwriting is hers, that it belongs to her. So then we use whom for people again, but we use it in this case when the person instead of the subject is the object of the sentence. I also send you a video about that on the group. And then we have that, which is used for people, things, and animals. We can say the girl that we met in France, the floor flat that, the cat that is sleeping underneath the table. So basically we can use that for everything. And then again, we use whom and who for people. It's just that in this case, who is the subject, and then in this case, whom is the object. And that's when we use it. So in here in the book, we have an exercise about that. Okay, so in here, we are talking about, again, relative pronouns for people and things. So in this in this specific occasion, we are completing the conversations using that for things and who for people. So I am going to send you that on the Telegram group, and you guys let me know when you finish.
It's very simple, teacher.